to adjust comment settings on the TikTok, first of all, start from the profile and go into the right upper corner. From here, open the settings and the privacy, and now go into the privacy. Now we will have to go into the comments, and first of all, we can actually set who can comment on our videos and the stories. So we've got everyone, followers that we follow back, and no one. Next, we've got the filter all comments. So now all the recent comments will be actually hidden unless we approve them when we turn on this function. The next section is right here to filter selected comment type. So from here, for example, inappropriate or offensive content, and you can customize it from the automatic, less control, and the more control. It looks the same for the curse words and spam. When we go below, we get also option to filter keywords. So now when I type here, for example, hello, each comment with the hello will be restricted, will be hidden. And now when you actually set up your comment settings to your preferences, you can go into the review filter comments, and from here you can actually find all the comments that are filtered, and you can actually approve them or delete. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.